Hey friends, it's 11:44, so I've got to keep it quick so I can upload it quick so I'm not technically late for my Monday upload. Um, this week has been like any other week, pretty uneventful. Thursday evening, I went out with Matt, not like a date. I went out to a show with Matt, and I thought J-Ro was going to show up, but he did, so it was just Matt and I enjoying steak trout revival, link below. They were good. The acoustics at Latitude absolutely suck. Like, they're bad. So I missed a lot of what was potentially an awesome concert, and it just lowered it down the scale a little bit to the good level, but whatever. Um, and that was pretty much it for exciting things. I did, well, okay, so it's Monday night, so technically it still counts. I did just get done having dinner, sushi, haha, and a beer with Brittany, which was really, really good too. I don't get to see many friends, believe it or not, often during the summer outside of unless I'm working with them. So I really enjoy catching up when I can. I like hearing how people are doing, which is why I love this video project. Um, because I love hearing how you're doing, whether it's just a short clip like this one's going to be, or it's a big elaborate one with, an intro and an outro and all, which we haven't done yet, but you never know. I really, really like that. So, anyway, which brings me to this question that I realized: how long are we going to do this for? It just hit me like the other day that we're not getting back together in, all of 2 months to see each other again. This video project could literally go on the rest of our lives as we know it if we want it to, or until it deteriorates and people don't upload or whatever it is. So I pledge to keep uploading every Monday if you guys are curious or want to. Otherwise, I'm sure we can figure something else out along the lines of contacting and discussing. Wondering if you guys would be up for doing a Google Plus Hangout. I'm sure not all of you have a Google or a Gmail account. Really easy to get one free. Or one of you, could use the Kitty Wampus account and I can turn it into a Google Plus account, or you can, and we can do a Hangout from there. A Hangout's basically Skype, only multiple people and for free. So it's a pretty sweet deal. It's awesome gig. I would really like to do it. My evenings are mostly free, especially after 8 o'clock time here. So 9 o'clock Margaret's time, which we need to remember Margaret's an hour later than us. I think we should make an attempt for it. I think it would be good. I think it would be fun. Um, so I'll shoot out an email sometime this week about it and see what you all think. If we could figure out a time to make it work. I think most of us work jobs that could have us done by a decent hour, which it is not now. Not a decent hour. Not in my book. It's 11:47. So anyway, I hope you all have tremendous weeks. I'm sorry this video isn't more elaborate or anything. I'm just tired and I don't really want to do it. Well, don't really want to go through the whole editing process. I'm really excited to upload the video for you. And I hope to see you next Monday. As in, I hope I'm not dead. Have a happy 4th of July, and I look forward to your videos. Bye, guys.